This is Mrs. Shopper coming back with the last lesson for Unit 7A. And so this is going to be working with something we call arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequences are sequences where you add the exact same number every time, okay? And we're going to walk through it, and it ties in perfectly with slope-intercept form. So here we go. Given this sequence right here, 8, 10, and 12, and so on, what are the next three terms in the sequence? When I look at this sequence, I see that we're adding 2 every time. So I'm going to continue to add 2. 14, 16, and 18. Okay. Now, the next question is asking you to find the nth term in the sequence. So if I want to find the 15th or the 18th or the 72nd, how do we find that, right? Okay. So it's going to be y equals my rate of change, which is what do I change every time I add 2 times x plus my beginning amount. My beginning number is 8. My beginning number is 8. So we're using the same thing. This is my rate of change. It's how much I'm going up each time. Okay. And then this is my beginning number. Now, here's where I need you to really listen. If we're going to find the 15th term, okay, we're going to find the 15th term. I want to show you something. Okay, if I have x and y, so if I have my first term is 8, my second term is 10, my third term is 12, my fourth term is 14, my fifth term is 16, okay? If I take this equation and I put 5 in for x, 2 times 5 plus 8 doesn't give me 16. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10 plus 8 is 18. If I put 1 less in, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 4, that gets me 16. So this number is my term number. This number is my value. So if I want to find the 15th term, I'm going to take 15 minus 1, which is 14, and that's what I'm going to put in for x. So it becomes y equals 2 times 14 plus 8. Okay, I'm going to take 1 less than the term number. So 2 times 14 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. The 15th term is going to be 36. Let's look at the next one. I've got 15, 10, and 5. I want to find the next 3 terms. I notice that I'm subtracting 5 each time. So the next 3 terms, 5 minus 5 is 0. Minus 5 is negative 5. Minus 5 is negative 10. So the next 3 terms are negative 10. Or 0, negative 5, negative 10. Now, write an equation for the nth term. So it's going to be y equals my rate of change, which is negative 5 times x plus my beginning number. And my beginning number is 15. To find the 21st term, I absolutely could list out 21 terms. Totally would work. It's a good backup strategy. Okay, or I can take 21 minus 1, which is 20, and I can put 20 in for x. So y equals negative 5 times 20 plus 15. So y, negative 5 times 20 is negative 100 plus 15 is negative 85. That's going to be my answer. Okay. Let's look at the next one. I've got my sequence. It looks like I'm going up by 4. So I'm adding 4 each time. So the next 3 terms are going to be 0 plus 4 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12. Okay. Write the equation for the nth sequence. So I'm going to use my slope-intercept form. Right? My slope is my rate of change. I go up by 4 every time. And I begin at -8. So that's my equation. I want to find the 31st term. So I go 31 minus 1 is 30. So y equals 4 times 30 minus 8. 4 times 30 is 120, minus 8 is 112. And there's my answer. Okay. Next one, 50, 60, 70. I think we got a couple more after that then. Yep. Okay. So 50, 60, 70. Ooh, that gets kind of dizzying. Sorry about that. What are the next 3 terms in my sequence? Well, it looks like I'm adding 10 each time. So 80, 90, 100. And then write the equation for the nth term. So it's going to be y equals my rate of change, which is 10, times x plus my starting number, which is 50. Y equals 10x plus 50. I have to find the 55th term. So I'm going to take 55 minus 1, that's 54. That's what goes in for x. So y equals 10 times 54 plus 50. So 540 plus 50 is 590. 590. Okay, a couple more, and then we'll give you some time to work. 369. What are the next 3 terms in the sequence? It looks like I'm adding 3 each time. So 12, 15, and 18. Okay. And then the, 18, there we go. Find the nth term. So y equals my rate of change. So I'm adding 3 every time. That's my rate of change, plus my starting number. And my starting number is 3. To find the 21st term, I take 21 minus 1. So I'm going to put 20 in for x. So 3 times 20 plus 3, 63. Last one, and then you'll have time to work on the worksheet, the arithmetic sequence worksheet. What are the next 3 terms? It looks like I'm subtracting 2 each time. So -24, -26, and -28. The nth term is y equals -2x minus 18. My rate of change is I'm going down by 2 every time, and then I'm starting at -18. Oh, I'm going to find the 21st term again. So I'm going to take 21 minus 1, that's 20. That's what goes in for x. So -2 times 20 minus 18. So -40 minus 18 is -58. All right. Nice job, team. We will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye, mathematicians.